what's in the box? You're about to find out. So, alright. I got some animals shipped to me in the mail. I am getting this package from Aesthetic Critters. You can find them on Instagram. So we're going to check out these little animals that you don't get to know what they are. Go over there and read the comments for me.
Is it bugs?
Is it bugs? Oh, that's a good question. Was that Mom?
No.
Or was it Britt?
That was Brittany. Mom's watching.
So, babe, to answer your question, it is kind of boxed the same way. I'm trying to work with a bunch of different cameras right now because I am going to be posting to YouTube later for this video. It's got styrofoam for fumble. It's got styrofoam for insulation.
Brittany's asking Mom what it is.
And then, of course, it's got extra padding so that it doesn't bounce around, inside the box. A heat pack that I heard is not supposed to go on the actual animal. It's supposed to be taped at the top. They use this and tape it on the top to keep the animals warm during transfer.
Mom said she don't even know. Brittany.
Ho ho. There's number one. I'm going to be very, very careful and very gentle. Just working with the knots. Oh, it's so tiny. Holy crap.
Is that a pure dragon?
Okay. Look at that little critter. Look at that. Look at that. I am not 110% sure which this one is. I believe it is the female. I'll come around and show the live
It's
stream.
not a bug.
It's not a bug. It is not a bug. It is a very, very tiny baby bearded dragon. Look at that. It scared me for a minute there because it wasn't moving or anything. That heat pack being on it, it can cause them to overheat, and it's not very good. So, it scared me for a minute. So there's the first bearded dragon. I have tanks right here. They aren't set up 110%. Why don't you grab one and throw it on the table real quick? Whoa, careful, dude. Grab some paper towel. Hey, honey. Oh, you're so tiny. So tiny. Cool. Okay. Go see what the comments say.
His tail's orange.
Yeah.
Brittany said, he's not froze on my side. Mom said it's because my phone ain't ringing. Always ring. Someone's ringing Mom's phone.
Someone's doing what to Mom's phone?
Someone was ringing Mom's phone.
Oh. Throw that little baby right in there.
So cute.
Alrighty, and why don't you go ahead and grab that other
Tank?
tank? Yep.
You don't have a lid for this one?
No. But it's okay, because they ain't going to be able to get out. Put it up here. Go ahead.
Alright, now if you're going to show them.
This one's cute, too.
Look at your hand. Is it a female or a male?
There's that one.
Don't you ask if it's a female or a male?
And baby number 2.
There's one of each. Brittany said cool.
And boom. It's a little bit harder to see it on here, so you'll have to check out the YouTube video to actually see the colors and stuff a little bit better. But that is a male and a female. Boom. We're going to go ahead and put these 2 tanks together a little bit. Throw in paper towel. It's an easy substrate to clean. It's not even a substrate, but it's an easy bedding to clean.
They're so tiny.
They are extremely tiny. They're like, I don't even know how old they are. I don't even know. I wonder how much you can actually see in the colors and stuff. But one, I believe, was a hypo trans, and then the other was, I don't even know. I'll get it later and I'll put it in the video. So, but that is what I have for today. Pretty sweet. I'm excited. They're going to grow up to be awesome baby bearded dragons. Lots of color. I've actually seen like customer updates and customer photos from Aesthetic Critters. So I've seen some of the baby bearded dragons that they've had from their customers after like a year or so. And they are stunning dragons. So thank you guys so much for watching, and be sure to follow our Instagram, YouTube, and everything else. See you guys later.